Yo, what's up guys? So today's video is gonna be like a mix-up or mashup, because at the end of this video I'm gonna announce who officially won the giveaway. So today's video is, beginning of the video is installing on my lip. I just got that back from paint again, and I got my test kits back from paint, so I'm going to be installing those two today, and I'm gonna try to ceramic coat these. I've been trying to want to do ceramic coat for a while. I do a little detailing on the side a little bit just for fun, and I have a ceramic coat that my brother gave me to do on his wrapped vet, so I wanted to try to wrap these, or not wrap, I'm sorry, ceramic coat these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mashup video. I'm just gonna be recording the entire day, kind of like a vlog style today, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's see if I can ceramic coat these. Alright, let's get to it. So as a disclaimer, I won't be waxing my lip or my side skirts because my good buddy who's texting me right here, Charlie Fan, shout out to you. I'll link his Instagram right down below and in the link description. He has a clean ISF and owns a detailing business in Louisiana. So if you're around that area, check him out. He does amazing work, and he's been helping me for a long time get to detailing everything. And he says that I have to get this cure for a month before putting any wax or anything on. So I won't be ceramic coating it today. I was so excited and everything, but I'll still put it on. So let's get into it. Good news, it didn't crack like it did before. Oh yeah, so what we did was I put 3M right here because last time it sat way too out and it wouldn't stick to the paint because he didn't prime it. Now he actually primed it, so the 3M actually sticks onto the bumper, that way it can sit flush and won't scratch the bumper. And I went ahead and wrapped the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. I wrapped it white. I just wrapped it white just to be, hopefully save it from being scratched a little bit. I'm gonna test it to see if it works. Sitting flush, looks nice. I should have put 3M all the way down here so I could push this up too, but it's too late. Oh well. Hope no one looks under my car. Finally, so excited to remove this wrap because I gave them my toe hook cover for my lip and my side skirts to match my paint pretty good. I'm finally tired of seeing this wrap. I'm so happy that's going away. Ooh, can't wait. Back where it belongs. And if anyone's wondering how I moved it, I just got like a flathead screwdriver and popped out like right here. And it comes out really easy. So I'm sorry that I didn't film much of that day. It kind of got hectic, but I just got my lip kits done, so I got my full lip kit, everything back from paint. And the update on the front lip is that that wrap didn't really do much, but I guess it kind of did. I'm just keeping it on because I'm too lazy to remove it at this point. So I hope you guys enjoyed that mini kind of vlog style. It wasn't really a vlog since it was from like 3 or 4 hours of the day, so I apologize in advance for not filming though. But the most important part of the video is the giveaway. Today is Monday, so I'm gonna go ahead and give the update on the giveaway. I'll just go ahead and write the names right now, and then we'll put it in the hat. Let's get it. Alright, so we just finished writing all the names in this hat right here. I have all the names, as you can tell. It's all the names. Whoever entered, thank you guys so much for entering the giveaway. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Do not get upset that you guys didn't win or anything like that, or it was any excuses, because we're doing a giveaway at 200 subs. surprisingly we got like 30 subs within like a week or so. So I'm really thankful for that. So thank you guys so much for that 30 subs. So whoever you guys are, thank you guys so much. For whoever's still subscribed, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So at 200 subs, we're gonna do another giveaway. I'm not sure what to give away yet. So if you have any recommendations, comment down below what you guys like. And never know, it might be the next giveaway and you have a chance to win it for free. So let's go ahead and get the review. I have my eyes closed. It's all old style, so it's not rigged or nothing. I can't rig it, it's impossible. So let's go ahead and get this good shake. Oop, that one came out. And the winner is Long Tran. So shout out to you, Long Tran. Your name came out of the hat, so that counts as a win. So I'm gonna be commenting on your previous comment on the last video, but if you're watching this video, if you didn't, go ahead and DM me. I'm gonna DM or comment down for your Instagram and DM you. So whoever, so if you didn't get the comment, go ahead and comment down below your Instagram right now, and then I'll DM you that way to give you your hat. I'm gonna ship it straight to your door. It won't cost you a penny, and the hat's all yours. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Long Tran, congratulations on the free hat on the giveaway. I appreciate you for subbing for this long and continuing your journey, or I hope you continue following me throughout my journey, throughout my YouTube career or hobby. So again, everyone, thank you guys so much. I do have some videos planned still. It's still raining right now, so it's been raining a lot lately and the weather's been crap. So last week was the only time we actually had sun for like more than 2 days, and then it rained, so my car's dirty again. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stick around for that 200 sub giveaway. I'm not sure I'm gonna give away yet. Like I said, go ahead and like the video, comment down below what you guys want to get on the next giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time, and stay safe.